How to fix rendering device lost in Overwatch. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix rendering device lost in Overwatch. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that I recommend you guys to do is close all your background processes. For that, you can open up your task manager. You can search for task manager or right click on your taskbar and you'll find task manager like this. Tap on it to open it up, and there you should see all of your running processes. So right here, you can close any process that you think is not yet, that you don't need. So you can close those processes by right clicking on it and ending its task like this. And you can do that for other processes as well. And you're basically good to go. Try to run your Overwatch again and check if the problem is fixed. If it's not fixed, you will need to head over to your device manager. Search for device manager. And after you search for device manager, here you will need to find your graphic card. So you can find your graphic cards on your display adapters and your graphic card will be listed here. Double tap on it to open it up and then head over to the drivers tab. Then you can update your driver. You can choose whichever one of these and go along with the process, or you can disable your device once and enable it again. After doing that, your problem should be fixed. Now, if that does not fix your problem, you can open up your file explorer. You can go to this PC, head over to local disk, go to your user, then your user file, whichever has your documents, and inside the documents, you should find your Overwatch folder. All you have to do is delete the folder. Do that and run your Overwatch again, and then your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.